To change your age on TikTok, follow these steps. Open TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Account under the Account section. Here you should see an option for birthday. If you were not able to edit it, it means TikTok does not allow you to change your age once it's set. If you need to change your birthday due to a mistake or for other reasons, you will have to contact TikTok support. Tap Report a Problem under Support in the Settings menu. In the report, explain why you need to change your age and submit the request. TikTok will review it and let you know if your request can be processed. That's it. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.